Hello, my name is Kate and this is EStyle Real Estate Agency office. This is our office and we specialize on rentals, property sales and investment opportunities. Our office located on the first floor on Punta Marina Commercial Center in Punta Prima. You can also find here lots of restaurants, bars, dental care, hairdresser salon and many entertainment for the whole family. And today I'm going to show you a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom apartment in a very quiet urbanization called Ciñuelica in Orihuela Costa, which is steps away from this spot. It's a lovely location. Within the walking distance, you've got a commercial center and the blue flag beaches of Orihuela Costa. The apartment comes with underground parking, lots of outside space, lovely terrace outside, top roof solarium and a large swimming pool in a communal area. Our apartment on the first floor, but it comes with this good size plot, which can be transformed to a beautiful garden or even swimming pool. We also have a storage room where you can store all your winter clothes or some equipment. We have a beautiful terrace with a coffee table in the front of our property. Let's go inside. Here we are in our flat. This is very good size living room, cozy big size sofa, dining area and through the arch fully equipped kitchen. Good size kitchen with enough storage and cabinets for everyday living, and behind me the door to utility room and stairs to solarium. And we have a control panel for centralized air conditioning through the whole property. And this is our first double bedroom next to the living room with twin beds, lots of natural light, nice view outside and a fitted wardrobe. On my left hand side we have a family bathroom. And we are in the second bedroom of this property. It's a master bedroom. What I like about it comes with an ensuite bathroom with walk-in shower and lots of natural lights. And from utility room we can go upstairs to solarium. The most important part of the property is the top floor solarium, very spacious with open view to the Torrevieja and the seaside. You can enjoy the Spanish sun all year round with your friends and family or entertain your guests. The property is available for 178,000 euros. If you need more details, please contact our office. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and see you to the next tour.